Are you feel helpless when you are in wild adventure? Are you feel hopeless when you are in danger condition? What's the different with other survival gear? 1 7-in-1 spoon fork. One side is a knife blade saw bottle opener, the other side is a spoon fork. It has hauls for string to fasten to your backpack. The spork cap is also a whistle. The knife blade can be a spear when fastened on a stick. 2 upgrade survival knife, cold steel folding knife, black cold steel blade, and black aluminum handle. Anti-rust, durable. 3. Pocket bellow, used to start a fire. Campfire when camping under difficult wet conditions or easy dry conditions, as well as at home for fireplaces, wood stoves, fire pits, chimneas and backyard barbecues. Best fire starting solutions for survivalists, casual campers, and backyard fire pit owners. 4. Larger stronger box to hold more survival tool. Unique Swiss card survival tactics kit will be a necessary tools for emergencies and wild adventure. It can meet all your needs. Credit card sized, easily to fits inside your wallet, pocket. 11 functions: can opener, bottle cap opener, 4 position wrench, 2 position wrench, butterfly screw wrench, direction ancillary wrench, screwdriver, knife edge, saw blade, ruler, keychain hole. Flintstones fire starter made from magnesium and iron, 5,000 to 12,000 times to flint fire. Lightweight, space saving and easy to carry, with flint bottle opener scraper. 3 functions. Applicable at anywhere, anytime, and any condition. Emergency survival pen made from tungsten steel for superior strength and portability. Break a window, glass, escape in an emergency situation. The perfect pen for anyone who is into survival, hunting, or outdoors, as well as military or emergency services personnel. Tactical torch flashlight with zoomable design, heavy duty, compact handheld flashlights, zoom in for an intense beam or out for wider illumination. 3 light modes like high, low, strobe. With its ultra bright LED light, an ability to run for hours of just a single AA battery not included. Package contents: 1 each Flintstones, 1 each kettle clip, 1 each tactical pen, 1 each carabiner, 1 each telescopic blower, 1 each multi-function fork spoon, 1 each tactical flashlight, 1 each tactical saber, 1 each saber card, 1 each fishing lure, 1 each life-saving bracelet, 1 each emergency bland kit, 1 each shock-proof case. Style 2, type, multi-function military shovel material, carbon steel and aluminium alloy color, army green. Weight, about 1.3 kg/2.8 lb. Length, 80 cm/31.5 in length of handle, 62.5 cm/24.6. In package include: 1 each multi-function shovel head, 1 each shovel handle, 1 each shovel case, 1 each compass, 1 each safety hammer, 1 each handle case, 1 each tactical knife, 2 each knurl handle, 1 each screwdriver bits, 1 each magnesium fire starter. W. Ith whistle.